Hey, first grade friends, we are learning something new today, and I'm super excited because this is kind of how I do mine. So remember when we talked about mental math, how using that helps us do addition, subtraction, and all that. So we're going to do a little lesson before we get into our book. So let's say I have, we're going to, basically it's what it's called is make 10. So if I have an addition that says 9 plus 5 equals, and you want to find out the answer. A lot of times what I do in my head, or this is a skill or a concept
I do this too.
Yep, that if you learn it, it will make things so much easier. So when we do addition, adding from 10 and up is so much easier. So adding to 10. So let's say 10 plus 4. What is it? Usually should it be quick in your mind? That's what you want to get. We know it's 14. So to get this to look like this, what do we need to do? So in your mind, you're going to say, oh, okay, 9. I only need one more to make this 10. So I'm going to take from this 5 and I'm going to make this a 10.
But
And
then what do
because
you need to do?
I took this from here,
Yeah.
it's now a 4. So this
You
is
did
much
it.
easier. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So 9 plus 5, what do you think it is? 14. So you're just moving one of these numbers to over here in your head.
You could do it with manipulatives too, would be an easy
could,
way,
yeah.
like counters.
Let me find some.
Sorry.
You're
Just
good.
thinking of a different way to introduce that.
So if you don't want to do it in your mind yet, because it's still hard, if you come out
Or
with
it's new.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 and 5. All right.
I'm going to move close.
So we've got our 9 cubes, and we could easily just sit here and count them all and find out the answer. But if I know that I can make this into 10, you could even, well, for me, I could even trade it. If I want to make a 10, I'm going to move one of these over and make a 10. Now I have 10 and 4.
And that's
14.
even if you needed to count it, it'd be
Exactly.
so much quicker to count
Exactly.
from
You
here.
don't have to count all of these. It would take forever. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's try that with another one. I'm going to put up a different addition
This
sentence.
is some good stuff, Mrs. Anderson.
I love teaching new things.
You know what?
So-
I actually love math.
So
It's
I'm
my
going to
favorite.
start with 9 again. And then I'm going to do plus, let's do 7. 9
Ooh.
plus 7. Now we could sit there and we can count on our fingers. We can count our cubes. But let's do like what we did before. So I've got 3, 6, 7, 8. There's our 9. 5, 6, 7. All right. So we're going to take our 9 and we're going to put in our here, make 10. I'm going to push that aside. There's our 10. So now we have, instead of 7 left, we have 6 over here because we added it here. So 10 plus 6 is what we're looking at in our brain or on here. And we know that's 16. So 9 plus 7, guess what? Is 16 because we moved 1 over. So what if, I'm just going to try something. What if I had 8
Ooh.
plus 4? Oh, that's a little harder because for me, you have to think of, you're not just moving 1. So let's try it. So I've got, there's 4 and 4, there's 8 and 4. All right, so we want to make 10 again to make this easier to add instead of having to count all of these. So I'm going to say 8, 9, 10. So I moved now, I made that a 10. So what is 8 plus 4? 12, because 10 plus 2 equals 12. Because we moved 2 over to make the 8, 10 and had 2 left over. Now, if this is like totally not getting it, I get it. I can't see you to tell if you get it, so I could keep practicing and going over. So ask mamas and dads to help you, to watch this with you again, and they can help you through it, because I'm pretty sure they do, I'm guessing, a lot of this as well. This is how we learned our math too, and it's a great way, and they're still teaching it now.
Yeah.
Just learning how to move numbers around. They're still adding the same and it's making the same, but it just makes it easier so you don't have to count. So now that we've done that, keep those manipulatives if you need them. Find page 227. And we're going to draw more dots. So we're doing something a little different. We're going to make 10 and then, like we did here, make 10 and find out what we have left. So you're going to draw 5 more. We have 9 already that are black, the black dots, and you're going to draw 5 more. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've made 10 and you have this left over. So how many did we start with? How many are the dark? That's 9. So 9 plus 5, you can see there's 10 already. So this is how they made the 10 like we did with the rod. 10 plus 4 is what? 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So then you can flip it. 5 plus 9 is 14. Let's do another one together. So you're going to draw 5 more dots. 1, 2, and then go down here, 3, 4, 5. So start off with how many black dots do we have? It's a double. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we drew 5 more. All right, so instead of counting all the dots, we know we have 10. So there's our group of 10 plus 3 more is what? 13.
I like that they're getting like now 3 different ways to do this. So it's kind of a nice
Yep. So we did base 10s. We did with just numbers for those that can just do it mentally, or you did it with the 10 frame. Yeah. Should we do one more together? Let's do one more. So here is your black dots already on here. You know, you have 9 and it says to draw 6 more. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's write our addition sentence. How many altogether? Nope. How many black dots are 9? And how many did we draw in? Are 6. So now you're going to figure out what 9 plus 6 is. You see 10 is all filled, plus how many more? So you have 15. And then you're just going to, I forgot to do that here. You're going to swap it around. 6 plus 9.
Because in addition, if you 15. Switch the numbers, it's still the same.
Exactly. So we'll go back here, rewind, and go to number 2 again. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 5 plus 8 is also 13. All right, go ahead and do 4, 5, and 6. And if you need help because this is a new concept of what we're learning, ask Mom and Dad, or you can ask me on email or whatever, and we can do a Zoom and we can practice together.
Well, that's a good idea.
Because this is something new and I want you guys to be able to get it because this will help so much later when you do more math. And it will help with those time tests too. All right, look at that. The second page is the same thing. So it's doing, adding 2 more dots or 3 more. So it's just reading the directions and adding to it, making 10 and adding from that 10 to what you have left. So 10 and adding, making 10. Again, let me know if you need extra help. I will Zoom just you and I, and we'll do that. All right. I'm trying to think if I want to go to the next thing. How long is our video, Miss Kathy?
It's already 8 minutes.
It's already 8 minutes? I think we're going to stop there.
It's
I know
Friday.
You could do this, and it's Friday. We did 3 pages last time. We'll wait to do this on Monday. Keep practicing this, you know, even after you've done this page, because this is a great technique to have, a skill to have when you're doing math, because it makes, that's how I do it. It makes it so much easier if it works for you. Find what's easiest for you. Maybe you just know 5 plus 9 is 14. That's good too. Mental math makes it easier. All right, let me know if you need help. Bye.